Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 45. कैसी भावी संकट सूचना सोपाय तन्निवारण योजना करून कैसे रक्षित भक्तजना अघटित घटना बाबांची. How the future difficulties were forecast, how he took measures to avoid them, how he protected the devotees. All these deeds of Baba are indeed amazing. बाबा मिरीकरास ते ठाई पुसती प्रश्न पहा नवलाई अहो ती आपुली द्वारकामाई आहे का ठावी तुम्हा ते. At that time, Baba asked Mirikar a curious question. Oh, this is our Dwarka Mai. Do you know it? बाळासाहेबास हा काही मुळीच उलगडा झाला नाही तव बाबा वदती आता पाही द्वारका माई तीहीच. Balasaheb did not understand that question at all. Baba said, Now look, this is our Dwarka Mai. तीच आपुली द्वारका माता मशिदीचे या अंकी बैसता लेकुरा देई ती निर्भयता चिंतेची वार्ता नुरेची. This is our Dwarka Mai. When sitting in the lap of the masjid, she safeguards the children and there will never be any question of worrying. मोठी कृपाळू ही मशीद माई भोळ्या भाविकांची ही आई कोणी कसाही पडो अपाई करील ही ठाईच रक्षण. This Masjid Mai is very kind. She is the mother of all the innocent and faithful devotees. Anyone may face any difficulty, she will readily protect. एकदा हिचे जो अंकी बैसला बेडा तयाचा पार पडला सावलीत हिचे जो पहुडला तो आरूढला सुखासनी. Once a person settles in her lap, all his difficulties are solved. He who lies in her shadow, he will be on the throne of happiness. हीच द्वारका द्वारावती बाबा मग तयास देती विभूती अभय हस्त शिरी ठेविती जावया निघती मिरीकर. This is that Dwarka, Dwaravati. Then Baba gave him Udi and kept his protective hand on his head, after which Mirikar got up to leave. आणिक वाटले बाबांचे जीवा मिरीकराते प्रश्न पुसावा ठावा का तुझ लांब बावा आणिक नवलावा तयाचा. Baba again thought of putting a question to Mirikar. Do you know the long bava, serpent, and its mysterious powers? मग मूठ वळूनी डावा हात कोपरापाशी उजवे हातात धरुनी फिरवीत मुखे वदत ऐसा भयंकर असतो तो. Then he closed his fist and took his left arm near the elbow of his right arm and holding it, moved it around and said, He is terrible like this. परी तो काय करीतो आपुले आपण द्वारका माईची पिल्ले कोणान उमगे तिचे केले कौतुक उगले पहावे. But what can he do to us? We are Dwarka Mai's offsprings. Nobody can comprehend her activities. Just quietly watch her wonders. द्वारका माई असता तारिती लांब बावा काय मारिती तारित्या पुढे मारित्याची गती ती काय किती समजावी. When Dwarka Mai is there to protect, how can the long bava dare to attack? The strength of the attacker is not comparable to that of the savior. How can it be explained?